Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 14 Factorization Exercise 14H questions 16 to 18. The 16th question says what? 3x to power 5 minus 11x cube minus 4x. So first of all, again it is not in the standard form. What you are supposed to do, take the common factors. So we can take x to power 5, x cube and x to power 1 here. So what can be done? What can be done here? We can take common of x. In numbers we can't take anything common. So you will have 3x to power 4 minus 11x square minus 4. Right? What will this? Now you can see it is in the form that we want, but one more thing we need to do, that is assumption. Let x square, or you can write it the other way around, right? We are going to replace the variable x with a. So let a be x square. So in place of x square we are assuming the value to be a. Clear? Therefore, okay, a square will be equal to x to power 4 or not. I am not writing that entire step. You know this is the law of exponents. When you are squaring one side, the other side gets squared, and when you have square on x square, so x square whole square, so powers will multiply. 2 into 2 is 4, x to power 4. Now you can put the values. Can you see here? X here and 3, x to power 4 is a square and x square is what? A. So minus 11a and then minus 4. Clear? Now write down the values. A is 3, B is minus 11, C is minus 4 and AC is minus 12. So sum has to be equal to minus 11. Product has to be equal to what? Minus 12. Clear? So very simple. We have to take minus 12 plus 1, right? Because if you will write it like this, x into 3a square minus 12a plus 1a minus 4. I'm not writing 1, we don't write 1, okay, just it's understood. If I'm writing a, it's 1. So minus 12 into plus 1 is what? Minus 12. Minus 12 plus 1, if you add them, it is what? Minus 11. Conditions are fulfilled. We can begin with the factorization process. So here you will have x into, now you can group this in 1 and the other group in another group, like that. X into, from here you can take, and one more thing, we are not replacing this x, right? This is common factor, this is out of this question. We are not dealing with this right now. 3a you can take common, you will have a minus 4, and from here you can take 1 common, so you will have a minus 4. Okay, when you can't see anything common, just take 1. So on both the sides it is balanced. Now you can make the groups. You will have x into 3a plus 1 into a minus 4, right? But it isn't solved yet. We need to further factorize this. Okay, see, x, now you have to substitute the values. So in place of 3a, what will come? 3x square, because a had the value of x square according to my assumption. So 3x square plus 1, write it down as that is a minus 4, so x square minus 4. Clear? So this will be what? 3x square plus 1. It is still not factorized, okay, by the way. Why? Because this is still can be factorized, right? You will write down this as the square of x minus square of 2. So x into 3x square plus 1 into x minus 2x plus 2. We are using the a square minus b square identity, right? So this is your final answer, x into 3x square plus 1 into x minus 2x plus 2. The order can change, but it's the answer, right? Now let us move on to the next question. Now look at the next question, right? This is the 17th question. You have 6a to power 6 minus 21a to power 4 minus 12a square. Again it is not in the standard form, so we will be taking common factors out. Okay, so what will this be? Let's see. Okay, this will be, we will take first of all, see, a6, a4, a2. So you will choose a to power 2, a square. From the numbers you can see we can take 6, 21, 12. So highest common factor is 3. So we can take here what? 3. Minus or plus? Plus is fine, right? We don't need to take minus, okay? Now look here. You will be left with 2a to power 4 minus your 7a square minus 4. That is what you will have, okay? Now again, we will use the assumption method. Let your x be equal to a square. This I am writing down. So x square will be equal to a to power 4, right? So now you will see, we will have what? We will substitute the values. We aren't substituting it in this a square, okay? Or if you want, you can substitute, but don't substitute because it is taken common outside. So leave that a square. We are not touching this 3a square. Inside you will have what? 2. A to power 4 is x square, so 2x square minus 7a square, that is minus 7x and minus 4. Now see, you will write down the values. In place of a you will have 2, in place of b you will have minus 7, in place of c you will have minus 4. Okay, ac will be 4 into minus 2, that minus 4 into plus 2, that is minus 8. So your sum has to be the value of what? Minus 7 here, okay? And your product has to be the value of minus 8. Clear? These two conditions are clear. Now we can further break them down. You will have 3a square into here, see, 2x square minus 4 into 2, as I said, minus 8. So you can take here 8 and 1, 8x, 1x. Give them the signs also. We want minus 8 and sum also has to be minus, okay? So you will write minus and plus here, okay? Minus 8 into plus 1, that is minus 8, minus 8 plus 1, that is minus 7. And here you will have minus 4, right? Now you will have what? Let's see, 3a square, and in one group 2x square minus 8x, in another group x minus 4. It is simple. Now from here you can take out 2x common, so you will have x minus 4. From here you can take 1 common, you will have x minus 1. This will be 3a square, okay? In this group you will have x minus 4 into 2x plus 1, right? 3a square into x minus 4 into 2x plus 1. But still we have to factorize this further. We are supposed to substitute the values of x by what? A square, because we have assumed it. So in place of x, what will come? A square minus 4 and 2x, so 2a square plus 1. Alright, now we can solve this further on also. 3a square to a square minus 4, you can be writing this as the square of a square minus 2 square and 2a square plus 1. So we are using the a square minus b square identity. This will be give us what? 3a square into a minus 2, a plus 2 and 2a square plus 1 already you have. And can you factorize any further? No. So final answer that you will get will be 3a square into a minus 2 into a plus 2 into 2a square plus 1. Clear? That is your final answer. And now let us move on to the next question. Now look at question number 18. This is what? So you have minus 12 m to power 5 minus m cube plus m. That will be what? Again, this is not in the standard form. M to power 5, m cube, m to power 1. So we will take the common of m. Clear? We all know why. Then from here minus plus, nothing can be taken common. So write it like this: minus 12 m to power 4 minus m square plus 1. M cancels, so plus 1. Now is this in the standard form? Kind of, yes, but no also, right? No, it is not in the standard form, because again this is not having the degree of 2. Let's write it like this. Let's say A equal to what? M square. So the value of M square we are replacing by A. Clear? Now, but this M we are not changing. So you will have M into minus 12. Here you add one more thing, sorry, I forgot. A square is equal to M square. So A square will be equal to M to power 4. That is also very important, right? Now you will see here, you will have M into minus 12. M to power 4 is M square minus M square is A, right? This is A square and plus 1. Okay, so M to power 4 has been replaced with A square and M square has been replaced with A according to my assumptions that we have made before earlier in this question. Okay, now you can see we have to factorize. So let's write down, in place of A will be minus 12, in place of B will be minus 1, in place of C will be plus 1. AC will be minus 12, so sum has to be the value of B, that is minus 1, and the product will be the value of AC, which is minus 12. That is how we have to split the middle term. Look carefully here. Okay, now minus A you have to split such that the sum will be what? Your minus 1 and product will be minus 12. So you can take 4 and you can take 3, and you should actually take minus 4 and you should take plus 3. Okay, minus 4A plus 3A plus 1. This will satisfy every of our needs. Minus 4 into plus 3, minus 12, minus 4 plus 3, if you add minus 1, right? That is done. Now further on you will have M into minus 12A square minus 4A. This will be in one group. Okay, and plus 3A plus 1 in another group, right? Very clear. Now see here, M from here you can take outside the bracket minus 4A. So you will have plus 3A and plus 1. Okay, minus 4A will cancel, so you will have plus 1 left, right? Now see, and here when nothing is common you can take 1 common, so 3A plus 1, that's it. So now you will factorize this and take the commons also from both the groups, that is 3A plus 1, and you will be left with 1 minus 4A, or you can write it minus 4 plus A, doesn't matter, orders can change, it doesn't matter, right? Now we have to factorize this, put the values down. M into 3A is M square, so 3M square plus 1, okay, and into 1 minus what you have here, A square, so that is M to power 4, so minus 4 M to power 4. Okay, now this is understood why I changed the order. Okay, although if you write it that way, then you have to bring it in this way. Ultimately you will come to this point only where you will have 1 minus 4A, which is 1 minus 4 M to power 4. This can still be factorized. 3M square plus 1, here 1 square minus 2M square whole square, right? Two ways of writing the same thing. 3M square plus 1. Now use the identity, 1 minus 2M into 1 plus 2M. This is over, and this part, it is the final answer. We cannot factorize any further. So that is the answer for the 18th question, and this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.